Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am showing you guys my full routine for my silk press. I wear my hair in a silk press pretty much all year, but I know a lot of people are about to start transitioning back into wearing silk presses because fall season is upon us. So I figured, why not show you guys what I do? And I have also been using some new products lately, so I wanted to show you guys those as well. So to get started, the first thing I'm doing is detangling my hair. Now, I do have relaxed hair, but my hair was very tangled and bushy and just all over the place because I had went swimming the day before. So I'm just making sure that before I apply any product to my hair at all, I'm gonna make sure that it's detangled. That way the product can just glide through easier and it's easier for me to manage as well. The second thing that I'm going to do is go in with coconut oil. I like to call this a coconut oil mask because I am applying a very generous amount of coconut oil to the point where my hair is completely saturated. You can do this with coconut oil, or you can do this with an oil blend or any other oils that you like. I just like coconut oil because it provides great conditioning benefits to the hair. It's also antifungal, so it's really good for your scalp as well. And when I sit under the dryer with this hot oil treatment, it also stimulates my scalp and promotes hair growth. The third step of my silk press routine is to wash my hair. I like to shampoo my hair twice just to make sure that I get it really good and clean and I get all of that oil and buildup that may be on my hair off. The shampoo that I'm using today is the Silk Elements Advanced Repair shampoo. This shampoo is great for fortifying your hair and making it stronger. It also smells really good, and if you've been watching me, you know that I love the Silk Elements products, so this is one of my favorite products. If you've been suffering for shedding or a lot of breakage, definitely give this shampoo a try. I have listed all of the products that we are using today in the description box, as well as some Amazon links if you would like to purchase or see the products that I'm using. It's really important to use a good shampoo on silk press days because you want to use something that is going to completely clean your hair so that when you go to do your silk press, your hair is clean and not weighed down by any products that may have been left on your hair as a result of your shampoo not fully cleansing your hair and getting rid of all the products. But you also want to use a shampoo that doesn't leave your hair feeling so dry that when you go to style it or silk press it, your hair feels like straw and it's not going to be as silky because your hair is just very stripped. So try to find something that works well for your hair that provides that good balance of cleaning your hair but also leaving your hair feeling stronger as well as just not dry and stripped. After shampooing, I like to go in with a deep conditioner. The one that I'm using today is by Silk Elements. It is their Intense Conditioning Mayonnaise. This is a good deep conditioner for strengthening your hair, and it also provides some moisture as well. And I do apply a generous amount of any type of conditioner that I'm using, and I also sit under the dryer for 20 to 30 minutes to let the conditioner fully penetrate into my hair before I proceed to finish my routine and style my hair. Using a good deep conditioner is very important as well. It's equally important as the shampoo that you use because you want to find something that actually is going to condition and help to repair your hair. A good conditioner leaves your hair feeling very moisturized, and it also fills in any of the missing gaps that you may have in your hair, which is going to do wonders for you when you silk press your hair because your hair is going to look shinier and silkier. After my deep conditioner has been rinsed out, I like to go in with a leave-in conditioner. This is good for adding an additional boost of moisture. It also serves as a form of heat protection. It helps to detangle my hair and get it prepped for styling as well. When it is time for me to blow dry my hair, I like to blow dry my hair on the high heat setting, and I start off by holding my hair and making sure that I'm getting the roots dry. I go back and forth in between using this vented powder brush that you see me using here, and then holding down my hair at the ends with my hand to make sure that my roots are dry. I found that blow drying it this way gets my hair straight because I'm using the brush. This brush not only gives tension, but it also combs through my hair and gets all of the hair straight so that it's easier when it's time for me to silk press my hair. And then actually taking my hair in my hands and holding it, make sure that I get my roots all the way dry as well, because sometimes with blow drying, the roots take longer to blow dry than the ends of your hair, and you do not want to be left with wet roots when it's time to silk press your hair, because that will make it easier for your hair to not be silky and for your hair to revert as well. To flat iron my hair, I am using a cheap flat iron. It is set at 370 degrees. I also like to use a rat tail comb to chase my hair. This makes sure that my hair gets straight from root to tip so that my hair is extra flowy and silky. And another thing that I do when I'm flat ironing my hair is I only do one pass. The reason why I'm able to do one pass is because I'm using the comb, and because I made sure to take my time and do most of the straightening work when I was blow drying my hair. I got my hair really straight during the blow dry process. That way, when it's time to flat iron, I only have to do one pass. This next step is optional, but after I straighten my hair, I like to go in and curl the ends of my hair. This just gives me like that signature wavy curly look that I always like to wear my hair in, and it also creates a lot of movement and bounce and body in my hair that I really like. So to do this, I'm just going back through in slightly larger sections than I did to flat iron my hair, and I'm just adding a little, I guess this is like a little barrel curl at the end. And the end result of me actually like combing my hair out is going to be so pretty with these little curls. But like I said, this is optional. And if you don't want to do the little barrel curl at the end like I'm doing, you could simply just bump the ends of your hair, or you could also leave your hair straight. Another reason why I like to add these little bumps is because it makes my hair look a lot fuller. So if you're someone who has like thinner hair, or your hair is a little bit on the damaged side and you're recovering your hair, these little curls and bumps are a great way to camouflage that and make it look like you have a lot more hair than you actually do. To finish off my hair, I'm going in with the serum. This one is by Chi and it's the Silk Infusion. I like this because it adds a little bit of moisture to my hair and also adds a little bit more shine to my hair. This is the step where if I'm going to add hairspray, I will add my hairspray as well after kind of brushing out my curls to my liking. And this is pretty much all to my routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this routine and I hope you learned a little bit for your next silk press routine. Let me know what videos that you want to see next. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video.